We are here with another price gouging video. Now, this is going to relate to Domino's and my experience with ordering Domino's and how much it cost. I'm going to go over each item and then I'm going to give you this so-called discount that they had given me, and then I'm going to give you the grand total in this video. All right, so what we had ordered one 12-inch pan stuffed pizza with extra cheese. Just one. $16.74. We also ordered one 12-inch parm stuffed pizza bacon, which cost $16.74. One 8-piece stuffed cheesy bread, $8.99. One 8-piece boneless chicken, $10.99. Total of 4 boxes. Let me know in the comments if you are still with me because we have more. 2 marinara dipping sauces for the 8 breadsticks that we got, $1.70. And you can't forget the honey barbecue dipping sauce for your chicken nuggets, 85 cents. With their so-called discount of $17.50, delivery charge, which they did charge us for, $4.99. I don't even know if the delivery charge goes to the driver or goes to Domino's or if it's even split. I should probably even look that up, but we were nice and we left them a tip on top of the $4.99, which was charged to us. So we had a subtotal of $43.50, and with tax of $2.61, with a total of $46.11 for 4 items. That's one 12-inch stuffed pizza, one 12-inch stuffed pizza of bacon, 8 stuffed cheesy breads, and 8 boneless pieces of chicken. Without the discount of $17.50, they would have charged Sam 610 over $63, not including the tip. So we actually left, I think the total came to, which doesn't show on this receipt. I'm actually going to flash the receipt on the screen. So with the $46.11, they had debited my checking account for $50.11. $50.11 for Domino's pizza. Let me know in the comments what you think. A mix and match deal that they had given me a discount for of $17.50 brought it to $50.11. I want you to let me know in the comments what you think, if you even order Domino's or not. My kids and my wife like Domino's. I like Domino's occasionally, but on a good day, Domino's always gives me really, really bad indigestion. I'm not sure what's going on with their sauce. There's just something with their sauce that doesn't agree with me, that stays with me for at least a couple of days. If you liked the video, please give me that thumbs up. I will catch you in the next one.